Hi guys, in today's video, I am going to be showcasing you how to screen record on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. The first step when it comes to screen recording is to access the quick panel setting menu. And to do that, you just need to swipe from the top right side and the quick setting menu will appear. Now from here, you should see the option screen recorder. If you don't have an option in here, then just tap on this edit icon. Just tap on the add control button. Look in here for the screen recorder, and when you find it, tap on it and then tap in an empty area and select done again. And once you have finished with all of that, you should see the screen recording icon. So once you have located the icon, just tap on it and it will prompt you to choose how you want to record your sound. So you can choose none, you can choose media, and you can choose use media and mic. And if you have a wireless microphone or a Bluetooth microphone or any type of microphone that you have connected to your Galaxy A37 5G, then you will be able to select that mic as well, your default mic. So here we have two options, full screen and partial screen. Any screen area which you wanted to record, you can select that. Now for the sake of this video, we are going to be selecting the full screen. So once you have customized how you are going to be recording your screen, just tap on the start recording and then countdown will appear. Then once your counting has been done, your screen recording on your phone will start being recorded. So every action that you are going to do, whatever it's going to be opening app, closing app, make testing or something similar, your phone will be recording that screen. Now at the top, you should see this toolbar that allow you to do even more functions when you are recording your screen. So for example, you have the option of tapping this icon and you can start drawing on your phone screen whatever you want. Again, it will still be recorded on the screen recorder. You can choose to change the color by tapping on this icon, selecting a different color as well as the opacity and the thickness of the color. Again, it's completely up to you. If you want to erase it, just tap on this undo button here and it will be erased what's currently on your screen. You can go even further by choosing to use this selfie option. So you just tap on that and then you have this selfie camera menu at the top appearing. So it will be recording your face at the same time as you are recording on your screen. And then you can even go further. If you want to remove that selfie option, just tap on that icon again and it will be turned off. Then you also have this play and stop icon as well as the timer for how long the screen recording has been gone. If I wanted to push the recording, I can just tap on the push and then do whatever task I wanted to do. Maybe some personal thing which I don't want to record. I can push the screen recording. Or it could be a phone call, just something you don't want to record. You can just tap on push button. Finishing up your work, you can push the start button and the screen recording will continue from there. Now, if you are ready to stop your screen recording, just tap on this stop icon here and then your screen recording will be saved into your gallery. Now open up your gallery and then you should see your screen recording and then you can just tap on play and your screen recording will be played. So everything I previously did, you will be seeing on the screen recording. So guys, basically this is how you can screen record on your Galaxy A37 5G. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.